Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to transfer money from Wise account to local Pakistani bank account. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wise dashboard, and then you see send. So there are multiple way to transfer money or amount to local Pakistani bank account from Wise account. Now you see send, so click on it. So you can see you send currency and recipient get currency. So you can select currency according to requirement. So now we are going to add some amount 200, and then you see PKR. Now you see paying with. Now click on change. So you can select according to requirement, and then you see arrive today in second schedule. Now you see include fee, and then click on add. So click on it. Now you see add a recipient. So click on enter bank details. So click on it. Now you see two options, myself, someone else. Now select someone else. So if you want, you can add email, and then you can add account holder full name. Now you see recipient bank detail, and then you see add IBAN number for Pakistani bank account. So you can select country Pakistan. Then you can add city, recipient address, postal code, postcode, and then click on confirm. And then you can make review, and then you can make payment. So in this way you can send money from Wise account to Pakistani local bank account in Wise. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.